Sagittarius, this is your channel messages for the 25th of May. Sagittarius channel messages. Oh, yes, I have a channel messages. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, let them drop dead, you a biller. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Justin Bieber, the believers are back in the building. Shawty right there. He got everything I need. Justin Bieber, I don't know why you, Haley, and your kid was in my dreams last night. Beautiful child, beautiful baby. Your baby is so laughy. I don't know why me I hold Justin Bieber baby in my hand last night. And even though I don't want kids and I don't have any interest of having kids, that doesn't mean you're a bundle of joy. Doesn't matter. Justin Bieber, I don't know what's happening in the household of you and Haley. But I just want you to know that you're doing a great job as parents. Sagittarius, your channel message is the Empress, the Wheel of Fortune, and sleep. I'm getting there's a Sagittarius. Okay, so I'm getting something about a world-renowned tarot reader, a world-renowned fortune teller, because we have the Empress paired with the Wheel of Fortune. This might be a celebrity fortune teller, a celebrity reader. Because I'm getting you connect with the star them. Perhaps you're connecting with the stars on the elevator. Nevertheless, me getting you connecting to the stars. Alright? Me getting Justin Bieber, Haley Bieber, let's call her by her married name. And me getting a baby. I don't know what happened, but me never see Haley though. Me say Justin, for some reason I have the baby in my hand and the baby laughy. I'm not sure what happening, but that was just, that's what was in my dream last night, okay? I'm also getting there could be a Sagittarius who want to destiny swap with you. Like somebody need to put you to sleep so them can take your destiny. I'm getting your destiny. Okay, so I don't know if you know your own destiny. Alright, we may share the same destiny or we're on the same path. I'm getting you're going to be a world-renowned fortune teller for celebrities. You're going to be world-renowned. Like bigger than blood clot life. You're gonna be world-renowned. You're gonna be a world-renowned fortune teller, a tarot reader, cartomancer. Alright, that's your destiny. That is another node. That's what you're going to be. Now I'm not sure if there's a Sagittarius woman who I try to switch destinies with you, so she need you to enter the workforce or she need you to go sleep so she can take on the role. Because somebody believes as long as you're continuing on your path, then she can't switch destinies with you. So yeah, the Empress, the Wheel of Fortune, and sleep. Okay, I'm also getting a lot of downloads in your sleep, a lot of messages in your sleep. Okay, we're getting the dream spaces where you're going to connect to the celebrities before you actually meet them. So let's go ahead and go into your reading. Sagittarius, shawty right there. Got everything I need. Let's go. We have the Knight of Wands coming out first, okay? All right, so I'm getting fast movement, quick movement. I'm getting you want to open something right now. I'm getting something is wrapped, it's sealed, but I'm getting you saying I can't wait, I want to open it now. We have the Hangman. We have the King of Cups. We have the Seven of Cups. And we have the Eight of Cups. All right. So I'm seeing something about a ritual. You're doing this ritual. I'm getting something about you going up in the hills. I don't know if you're part of a fraternity or you're part of a brotherhood. Or I'm seeing you drunk going hiking. I'm not sure if you're the type of person who like to camp out in the woods. I'm getting you thinking about like going up in the hills, going in the woods, camping for a night, getting intoxicated. I'm getting you getting intoxicated in nature. I'm getting something about a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and a Leo, Aries, Sagittarius man. Two men going up in the hills. Or I'm getting something about you and an athlete. Now, Justin Bieber is a Pisces, right? Which could be the King of Cups. Me getting something you feel shame, you feel very shame about. So, me getting an encounter you and this athlete did have. Now, the King of Wands is sexual. The King of Wands can talk about sex. Now, we know that Justin Bieber just was one of the victims who confessed what was happening with P. Diddy. I'm not sure how Justin Bieber leave from Scooter hand to blood clot Usher hand to gone to P. Diddy hand. As bad as things is, Usher may have girls fondling cherries. He has never fucked anybody like P. Diddy did. So, I don't know how Justin Bieber leave from Scooter hand. I know a Scooter, you know. Is it Scooter? Was Scooter the pussy hole who did this to you? Because how you leave from Scooter to Usher and you're gonna P. Diddy? How you end up in a P. Diddy hand? Me getting something about an encounter what you and this man did have. Because Justin Bieber white. The King of Wands black. Me getting something about this black man. Or me getting you did always frequent around black people. And me getting ever since this whole sexual issue did happen, you just did stop. Because the King of Cups white, the Seven of Cups white, the Eight of Cups white. You did abandon black people. Or you wasn't fucking with black people anymore. Or maybe that's what you were told. And I saw the woman online asking Quavo for autograph. And Quavo tell her when I'm finished. And then while Quavo is on the beach shooting him video, a white woman pass and him end up pour champagne for the white woman. So Quavo look like him interested in snow bunnies. Nothing wrong with that, Quavo. But you build your whole career on black people. So now you a black rapper building your career on nigger shit, but you prefer white women. Nothing wrong with that, but just I say, it's a slap in the face to women who are your fans. Let's continue the reading. The Knight of Wands is clarified by the Page of Swords. Me getting this black man a stalk you. Him is a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius man. Me getting him a stalk you. Or me call your phone. Me getting something that happened between you and this man. You try to forget or you try to brush underneath the carpet. But me getting the man keep a call your phone. Maybe the man have video footage out of you that has nothing to do with the whole big trial. And me getting you so-called all grown up now. You try to leave what happened in Hollywood when you were coming up behind you. But me getting one man here a blackmail you with video. Something about a video footage. Me don't know if this is video footage about having sex or oral sex. But me getting something about this man. Him me getting him a message you, him in your inbox, him a torment you say, I'm gonna release this. Whatever this is. That's why Justin Bieber sell the whole line catalog, him done. Him done. Him finish. Or if him a come back, then chances are him will have him own studio in a basement. Have a studio in your house. And you hire engineers, hire these people for work for you if you ever want to go back in a music. You don't have to rely upon nobody no more. You're rich. Or perhaps all the catalog of songs, all of the shit you had to go through in the studio with other predators. You don't want to have nothing to do with it. That's why you sell off everything. It don't mean nothing to you. Yeah, you know, when I was shooting this song, you know, these niggas were trying to get me to have sex with them. And when I was shooting this song, Ludacris' name was never called. Ludacris' name was never called. You should know that. The Hangman is clarified by the Nine of Cups. The King of Cups is clarified by the Seven of Wands. The Seven of Cups is clarified by the Four of Swords. And the Eight of Cups is clarified by the Terror. Now again, we did have the Wheel of Fortune. That was their message. The Terror. I'm getting a world-renowned tarot reader. That's your Wheel of Fortune. And we're doing Sagittarius, the Empress, Wheel of Fortune. Here's your Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, I'm getting something about one world-renowned tarot reader, somebody who know your destiny, or somebody who read birth charts. See, Wheel of Fortune. I'm getting one world-renowned tarot. You ever meet a world-renowned tarot reader? Now, maybe you think the tarot reader is Sagittarius, but the Empress is Taurus and Libra. So somebody might be faking being this fortune teller. They don't know nothing about birth charts. They don't know nothing about tarot. And they know nothing about the occult. So you are reading birth charts, yes. You are reading tarot, yes. But you know nothing about Hollywood rituals. You should stay to your day job or stay in school. Okay, great. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. Or me getting something about you're going up in the hill. Listen to me now. I'm tired to tell people this. Stop make these fuckers bring you way up in the hill. Cause cut them bring you up there for cut off your foot. Perhaps after you went on this big hike or you went up in a one hill, when you come back down, you don't want the music no more. There is no women here. Bare man, there's only men. But me getting something like you play dumb, you're playing dead, or you play asleep. Cause me getting every time you close your eye, you think about the trauma what used to happen to you when you were making music. Cause me getting it was fucking hell for you. And me getting that's like you being raped and paparazzis are there taking pictures of you getting raped. And them a sell the footage. Justin Bieber just got raped by this athlete and them a sell the footage. Nobody now call for help. Yeah, him enter it when him 13. And we still haven't clarified why the fuck Justin Bieber bought a monkey. We still haven't fucking clarified that. But what we do know is that he has a bundle of joy now. So I'm not actually sure what the fuck happened. All me know is me getting your one get away. Or me getting something about your baby. Me getting your baby. Me don't know if you had a baby boy or girl. But me getting the baby was laughy, smiley. But me never see Haley. Me never see Haley. Me knew me felt that she was there. But for some reason, I have the baby in my hand. Did they share pictures of the baby? Okay. Yeah, they did share pictures of the baby. Oh, yeah, me see it. Oh, no. Yeah, me getting your baby, him laughy. Oh, yes, me see the baby. We're getting something about your child. Be very careful of your child. No, me don't know if your wife a try to make content with the baby, tell her if don't do it. You see what happened to you when you're 13. Me don't know if she try to make mommy and me vlogs. Me don't know if that's the... Me don't know, but I want to tell her to do it. Even though, I mean, the baby beautiful. So who wouldn't want to make content showing off this baby? But me getting something about Justin Bieber know about the pedophilia what used to happen. So I wouldn't tell your wife doing any type of baby content with a child. You can't tell me that the way how you want to stay relevant so much, you use your baby to stay relevant. The baby, it was supposed to be an exit from Hollywood, not an introduction to it. So, yeah. Let's get some of these cards. Now, it could be something about the birth chart of your baby. We have MK Ultra. We're getting a lot of alcohol, a lot of drinking. We have Virgo. We have Uranus. We have Shark. And we also have Cancer. I'm going to leave it here. Wait. Okay, Haley's a... Okay, see it here? Your wife is a Sagittarius. Yeah, come out Sagittarius, the Empress, Wheel of... I'm getting something going with Haley. Something going with Haley. The dream when I get, she wasn't in the dream. I only did have the baby in my lap and I said Justin Bieber. But Haley is Sagittarius. Yeah, see? Sagittarius, that's Haley's zodiac sign. But we get the wheel of... Yeah, I'm getting something about a fortune teller. Or am I getting... You're saying that you want to talk to somebody but you don't want her in the room. And even though you guys make a beautiful couple, Bieber, you do know that she's one of your handlers, right? You meet her when you're 13 years old and you were arranged to marry her from day one. She is one of your handlers. I don't know if you think your wife will give back information to the CIA. Chances are she is. Yep. Yes, Sagittarius Empress, the Empress. Sleep. Like something go on in your sleep, something happen in your sleep. Beginning for some reason you don't want to sleep beside her. Something go on with the bed where you want her in her. I'm going to leave it here, Sagittarius, until... Okay, so this may be Haley's reading, since she's a Sagittarius we're talking about. The Wheel of Fortune. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.